ہمیں پیغمبروں کے قریب کرے گی، ہمیں اولیاء اللہ کے قریب کرے گی اور ہمیں نہایت پرسکون سادہ زندگی دے گی، جس کی کوشش اور جس کا راستہ معیز صاحب نے، ڈاکٹر معیز نے اس کتاب میں بتایا۔ میری دعا ہے کہ ہم سب کو اپنا مذہب سمجھنے کی توفیق عطا فرمائے اور ان تمام لوگوں کے درجات دنیا میں آلریڈی بلند ہیں۔ سب ان کو مانتے ہیں کہ وہ یہاں کرتے ہیں، جو لوگ مانتے ہیں ان کو سب مانتے ہیں، لیکن کتنا اچھا ہو کہ اس ماننے میں وہ روحانیت بھی شامل ہو جائے جو ہماری قوم کو لا امیدیوں کے بھنور سے نکال کے کہیں اور۔ میری بہت دعائیں ساتھ ہیں۔ مجھے اس محفل میں آ کر خوشی ہوئی ہے اور سب سے زیادہ خوشی اس بات سے ہے کہ میرا بازو ڈھلکا ہوا ہے، یہاں پہ موچ آئی ہوئی ہے، لیکن اتنی خوبصورت کتاب ہے کہ میرا موچ والا ہاتھ اس کو اٹھا رہا ہے اور پوری طرح سمجھ رہا ہے۔ بہت بڑی بات ہے، بہت مبارک، بہت شکریہ۔
جب بہت بہت شکریہ آپ کی باتوں کا، آپ کی دعاؤں کا۔ اور اب باتیں وہ جن سے خوشبو آئے۔ So obviously we have the book right in front of us اور اسی کے ساتھ as a token of our appreciation equally sweet smelling flowers are being presented to each of our guests of honor who've been here as speakers. May we have the honor of presenting a bouquet to our chief guest, Fatma Suraya Bajia Sahiba. آپ میں سے جو حضرات یہ منظر نہیں دیکھ سکتے، I'm sure you have to wait for the newspaper tomorrow. کل کے اخباروں میں اس کی تصویریں ضرور دیکھ سکیں گے آپ۔ Dr. Muiz would also like to present one of the copies of the book and a bouquet to each of the speakers. These include Mrs. Pushpa Shujar, Mr. Saifuddin Zilkawala, Mr. Javed Jabbar, and of course, last but definitely not the least, Mr. Masood Hashmi. I'm working on guesswork just like all of you. I have no idea what's happening behind the camera. Well, I guess today is my lucky day. I'm also getting a copy, so very happy. I think it has definitely been a very amazing and memorable evening, and I'm sure all of you have had a great time. یہاں پہ جتنے لوگ موجود ہیں، جس طرح ہم نے آپ سے پرومس کیا تھا، they're definitely intellectual heavyweights. But I do also have a small tribute for you, Dr. Muiz Saab. There's a new program that I started doing. It's called the Corporate Coffee, and each week we recommend a book to as many people as we can reach through the program. And this week's pick is indeed Pebbles on the Beach. I think with this, I am Sidra Iqbal. I sign off, and before I do so, may I invite the Managing Corporate Sales and Customer Services of the Mind Sciences program, Ms. Uruj S. Alwani for her formal vote of thanks. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
Respected teacher, Professor Dr. Moeed, Honorable Chief Guest Mohtama Fatma Suraiya Bhajia, Advisor to the CM Sindh, Guest of Honor Mr. Masood Hashmi, experts and guest speakers, Mrs. Khushbu Shujaat, ex-Senators Mr. Javed Jabbar and Mr. Saifuddin Jhumkawala, and Master of Ceremony Ms. Sidra Lateef. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, members of electronic and print media, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Uruj Fareed and I am the Corporate Sales and Customer Service Manager on behalf of the Culture and Literary Forum and the Institute of Mind Sciences. I would like to offer my heartiest thanks and gratitude to our Honorable Chief Guest, Mohtama Fatma Suraiya Bhajia, for taking out her valuable time from her hectic schedule on a very short notice to grace this occasion. A very special thanks to Mrs. Khushbu Shujaat and Mr. Masood Hashmi. Without them, you people won't believe this, without them this event would not have been possible and successful. A very, very special thanks to the ex-Senator Mr. Javed Jabbar and Mr. Saifuddin Jhumkawala, MD of EFU, for their expert opinion and the time to be here today in this August gathering. My thanks to our charming Master of Ceremony, Ms. Sidra Lateef, whom I had the privilege of meeting today for the first time. Thanks to our journalist friends, people from the print and electronic media to cover this memorable event. Our guests today, amongst whom are great names sitting today. Special thanks to management of Art Council Karachi and the Press Club for their support and help. La Roche Caterers for the delicious dinner which is about to be consumed. Last but not the least, Professor Dr. Moeed Hussain, my boss and teacher, a teacher and guide of many whom are sitting over here today, for his inspiration, motivation, and for the sharing a deep insight, wisdom, and a new path of life, and showing us a new path of life through his much-awaited book, Pebbles on the Beach. Many people believe that he creates miracle in his workshop. However, one day, a lady participant remarked that Professor Moeed Hussain does not create any miracle in his workshop. Why? Because he is a miracle himself. Yeah. So, unfortunately, that lady is sitting with us today. Thank you to all the faculty members of TIMS and volunteers who work day and night to make this event a memorable event of our life. Thank you once again, ladies and gentlemen, and please join us for a delicious dinner today. Allah Hafiz.